everyone, this is Cindy. Today I'm gonna teach you 5 Chinese phrases. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get started.
Number 1. Let's say if you bump into someone, normally you'll say hi, hello, hey. In Chinese, we say 你好, hey, 你好, 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 hi, 你好. Number 2. When you want to introduce yourself, you'll say my name is John. In Chinese, we say 我叫 John, 我叫 John, 我叫 John. Number 3. Hey, happy birthday! Thank you! So how do we say thank you in Chinese? 谢谢,谢谢,谢谢. Number 4. I want this, I want that, I want you. So how to say I want in Chinese? We say 我要,我要,我要. Number 5. Now how about I don't want? 我不要 I don't want. 我不要我不要. Now let's recap. Hello, 你好 Thank you, 谢谢 My name is John. 我叫 John. I want. 我要 I don't want. 我不要.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye! Hey.